Hey everyone out there, so Jason here. Come for a ride with me through this Ultimate Shine car wash. I have a membership with this place and I can wash my car pretty much once a day. And this can be a little bit of a claustrophobic experience if you are claustrophobic. As you'll see, the car gets covered up pretty dang good here. You can't see what's going on in front of you. So yeah, like right now I can't really see much of anything. I'm just basically trusting that I'm moving through this thing with no issues. By the way, if you're wondering where this car wash is located, it's in Dunbar, right next to Ollie's is where you will find it. So you can of course come in and pay for a car wash. Or you can do like what I did. I have the sticker over there that says Ultimate Shine. That's what I use to get in here and wash the car once a day. And then there's the dryers. Alright, I'm going to wrap this up here because I'm going to have to start driving here in a second. When that light up there turns green, that's when I got to start doing some driving. So, thanks for watching. Like I said, it's in Dunbar, right next to Ollie's.